Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to explore some of the most advanced indicators that is available on TradingView. These indicators was designed to help you make informed trading decisions. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, these powerful tools can help you take your trading to the next level. With these indicators, you can find better and smarter trade entries in the crypto, Forex and stock market. So if you are interested in learning more about advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with the trading plan, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, the very first thing that you should do is to visit TradingView.com for you to read charts and take trades. You can see that we are open to the price of the US dollar with the Japanese yen currency pair, and on the 5-minute time frame. So in this video, we are going to use 3 advanced TradingView indicators for the strategy. Now, just as a quick reminder, TradingView offers these indicators absolutely for free, without the need for a premium TradingView plan. So the first indicator is this tool called the Absolute Strength Indicator. You have to click on this Indicators tab over here to add the indicator to the chart, and you have to type Absolute Strength Indicator, and then you will click on this one that was created by this guy called Alex Grover. Now that you have added the indicator to the chart, you will have to go to this gear icon to access the settings of the indicator. Now, here on this input section of the setting, you can play around with all the settings here, but we are going to change this period of evaluation to 21, and the period of smoothing to 4, then the source to OHLC 4, and the resolution to 5 minutes, since we are trading in the 5 minutes time frame, this indicator method to ADX, and the moving average method to EMA. The style section doesn't have much significant settings to change, and then you click OK. Now, this space between these two signal lines shows the volume of either the buyers and the sellers in the market. When the space is red in color, it shows that more sellers are in the market than buyers. And when it is this colored, it shows more buyers than the sellers. Now, when this bullish signal line is above this signal, you will lean towards taking a long trade. The opposite happens when the bearish line is below the bullish line. Like here, you can see that the bullish line is above the red, and the price is trending up. Notice how big the space between the line are, which signals a huge presence of buyers in the market. Now, you can see how choppy this space is, which could be a sign of a trend change, or price consolidation before a new trend starts. You could have placed a long trade like this, at the close of this candle, because of all the confirmations you have gotten from this indicator. But you know, trading with only this indicator is not actually a wise decision. So let's add the second indicator to help boost the confirmation to this trade. Now, go to the Indicators tab, and search for this indicator called Machine Learning and Optimization Moving Average, and then click on this one that was created by this guy named Zierman to add the indicator to the chart. Now that you have added the indicator to the chart, let's go ahead to the indicators setting to refine some of its settings. Now, here on the input section of the indicator, you are going to change this amount of historical data to all data, then this optimization goal to combined, and check this box to activate machine learning to trigger machine learning algorithms, and then change this moving average type to EMA. Again, you are going to change this moving average length to 100. And because we only need one moving average for this strategy from this indicator, you are going to uncheck this second moving average. Then go to the Style section and uncheck this table, and then click OK. Now, because of the constantly changing world of the Forex market, through its volatility, volume, and momentum, many traders have tried to modify their indicators and strategies to fit the constantly changing market. And that is why this indicator was created, as it uses the principle of machine learning and optimization calculations to self-adapt to the constantly changing market price movement, and then uses the information to find the best moving average period. So this indicator, according to the creator Zierman, helps traders and investors to use the best possible moving average on the selected time frame and asset, and then ensures that the moving average is updated using machine learning algorithm and optimization calculations, even though the market characteristics change over time, which then gives you a more accurate moving average that monitors the price movement, and then uses these data to predict the next possible price direction. Now, here on the chart, you can see that the price has been developing a bullish strength through these bullish momentum candles that formed, and you have gotten a signal from the Absolute Strength Indicator because of this increasing bullish space. Then when the price crossed above this moving average, this then gives you more confirmation to the signal that was given by the Absolute Strength Indicator, and this long trade that you entered earlier here. Now, let's take a look at another example. Now, here is the price chart of the British pound with the Japanese yen currency pair, and we are trading on the 5 minutes time frame. Now, you can see that the price has been exhausting from the pre-existed uptrend by forming this little choppy price movement around the AI moving average. And then when you see that the red bearish line is above the bullish line, and the bearish space between them is gradually increasing, you then start looking for an opportunity to enter a short trade. But then you had this big momentum bearish candle that moved below the moving average. Then you will enter a short trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss just at the top here, and target a risk to reward ratio of 3 to 1. And this trade could have been a profitable trade. Now, let's move on to the last indicator of the strategy. If you are looking for a crypto exchange that currently has 0 spot trading fees, some of the lowest fees when it comes to futures trading, with fast order execution, and up to a $30,000 bonus, and the highest catalog of promising airdrops and upcoming crypto projects, then check out the links in the description of the video to get access to all of these perks. Now, you are going to click on this Indicators tab here, and search for this indicator called Darvax Box, Buy and Sell Signal. It is one of the many advanced indicators that was created by this guy named Seyhan. Now, go to the setting of the indicators, and on this input section, you are going to change this length to 20. Then go to the Style section, and uncheck these 2 options, and then click OK. Now, this indicator was created to depict the strategy that got Nicholas Darvas over $2,450,000, using his Darvas box strategy. So this indicator has been found to be very useful in modern-day financial market, helping traders with the more accurate and profitable buy and sell signals. And that's if you use the indicator correctly. Now, you can see that the indicator printed a sell signal here when the price got here, thereby increasing the confirmation to this short trade here, and again, adding up to the confluences from the 3 indicators. Now, let's take a look at another example. Here is another example, and we are trading on the price chart of the US dollar with the Canadian dollar, and on the 5-minute time frame. You can see that the price has been attempting to cross over the AI moving average so that it can continue to trend up. But when you look at the absolute strength indicator, you can see that the bearish line is above the bullish line, and the space between them is red, signaling that more sellers are in the market than buyers. But then when you got this buy signal from the Darvas buy-sell indicator, this bullish candle had crossed above the AI moving average, and the bullish line of the absolute strength indicator had also crossed above the bearish line, meaning that you now have more buyers in the market than sellers. And you could have placed a long trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low, and then extend your profit target to a risk to reward ratio of 4 to 1. And this trade would have been a pretty nice trade. Now, these indicators are a tool to help you make market analysis, and to predict the future direction of the price, and then to take smarter long and short trade entries. I suggest that you play around with the settings in these indicators to find the ones that works best with your overall strategy. If you are interested in learning advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with the trading plan, then please click the like button. For the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload this high-quality and advanced free trading contents. If you have your own ideas about these indicators and how to use them in the Forex market, please share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.